2021 is coming to an end. Are you ready to start the new year off with a bang? Stay tuned for 3 actions to take before 2022. Hi, I'm Kayla Montgomery, Sales Manager with the Reynolds team at Compass. 2021 was a record year for our team. Our agents closed over 325 homes so far, and counting. They have their business plans ready for next year, and we're about to do our vision board workshop. After all, a goal without a plan is just a dream. For a step-by-step strategy on creating your own business plan, check out my last video. If you haven't already done so, now is the time to finalize your vision for 2022. Here are 3 actions to help you do just that. Number 1, review what worked and what didn't. Take a look back at the past year and be critical of yourself. Did you spend enough time prospecting? Did you put too much money and effort into a lead source that didn't offer a good return? Did you find a new marketing tactic that easily converted into closed sales? Do a mental inventory of everything that worked for you and everything that didn't. Then adjust accordingly for this coming year. Number 2, get clear on your pipeline. Which of your leads are in the real estate market for 2022 and which are not? Get the no's out of the way so you can focus on the yeses. A simple text will do the trick. Bonus points for bulk texting through your CRM. Yay for efficiency. You'll also want to give some extra thought to who is hot and likely to be a first quarter sale. These leads should be on the front burner. Make sure you're in contact with them weekly and have them set up with an auto email search that notifies them instantly when a property hits the market. Last but certainly not least, number 3, refine your schedule and start using it now. It takes about 60 to 90 days to really create a new habit. Guess what? We only have less than 1 month until 2022. Get your schedule on lock ASAP, put it into practice pronto. Your schedule should include time for prospecting, lead follow-up, admin tasks like returning calls and emails, appointments, and so on. If it's not on your schedule, chances are it's not going to happen, at least not consistently. Utilize time blocking to make your schedule the most efficient. That's a technique used by highly productive people like Elon Musk. So, are you truly ready to jump into 2022 and hit the ground running? I want to know. Leave a comment, send me a text, give me a call. Let's get together and brainstorm how to make next year your best year ever.